bike check number 2.
What's going on?
Hey.
Hey.
Alright. This is my bike check. I just bought this bike maybe a month or 2 ago. It was the FBM guillotine. And it turns out the handlebars suck dick. So I got these new Kelsey handlebars. You see?
Wait, hold on.
Got them for like 40 bucks.
Kelsey.
Smiley face. Then what happened was my back hub went out. So I got a new hub. I got a custom pair of tires.
See if it'll focus here.
It's a sunrigle hub laced to stolen revert rims. And then got some new pedals.
Well, they're kind of new.
Yeah, they're kind of new. It was off of that old bike. If you watched
my
bike check.
You see my old bike check? I changed a little bit of stuff.
And still got the FBM guillotine frame. Took the stickers off because I just think it looks cool. Oh, the biggest change of this whole bike was right here. This United seat clamp. Probably the best. Like, I don't know what I'll do without it, but yeah, it's still pretty light. Maybe 24 pounds, I would say. Seat's still the same. I got a new back tire, which is a Odyssey. I don't know what kind of Odyssey.
Aitken.
Aitken, right there.
Odyssey Aitken.
And then front tire is a haro tire. I don't know what kind. But within the past month and a half, I would have to say I broke
8 bones.
Yeah, 8 bones. Oh, I just got pedal bite. If you see there, see that pedal bite?
Wacow.
Doing a 180.
Shika wacow.
But I like this little purple.
Oh, it's got a purple spacer back there.
But
and yeah, I see you're running 1 peg. Is there a reason for that?
Oh yeah, I lost my other peg, so
1 peg? No
I'm just
peg.
riding 1 peg. Kind of helps me.
And, you know, keeps the weight down.
But I guess I'll just, try to do a 180 off the curb for you guys.
Hub sound! Hub sound!
Alright, hub sound for the sunrigle hub. Let's do this. Spins forever.
It is a rather good hub.